Today I will explain you the chapter motion of class 9 physics, and in this chapter I will explain you what is motion, what is distance and displacement, and what is uniform and non-uniform motion. What is motion? In everyday life, we observe several types of motions like vehicles moving on a road, flying birds, movement of needles of a watch, movement of blades of a fan, circulation of blood through veins and arteries, and also the planets, stars, and galaxies are all in the motion. If a body change its position with respect to time and its surroundings, it is said to be in motion. Motion and rest are always relative but never absolute. What is position? The location of an object with respect to a particular point is known as the position of the object. The particular point about which the position of the object is defined is called the reference point or the origin. What is distance? The distance traveled by a moving body is the actual length of the path covered by it, irrespective of the distance in which the body travels. It is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is meter. Now we will know what is displacement. The displacement of an object is the change in the position of the object when it moves from a given position to another position. It is equal to the length of the shortest path measured in the direction from the initial position to the final position of the object. It is a vector quantity. Its SI unit is also meter. Displacement of a moving object can never be greater than the distance travelled by it. If a body moves along a straight line, then distance and displacement will be equal. Displacement of the object can be positive, negative or zero, but the distance can never be negative or zero. What is uniform and non-uniform motion? A body is said to have a uniform motion if it travels equal distances in equal intervals of time, no matter how small these intervals may be. The distance traveled by an object in uniform motion increases linearly. If a car moving along a straight line path, it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in uniform motion. What is non-uniform motion? A body is said to have a non-uniform motion if it travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time, no matter how small these intervals may be. For example, a car moving through a crowded market has non-uniform motion. Thank you.